This tutorial explains how to use Auto Scroll Master. The application provides three auto-scrolling modes. First, external apps or browsers using your device's accessibility feature. Second, the in-app browser. Third, the in-app document reader. This guide covers the first mode, which is auto-scrolling in external apps. When you open the app for the first time, a short tutorial appears. You may skip the introduction if you want to proceed immediately. To view the tutorial again, go to the More tab, open the Action section, then select How to Use. On the home page, tap the Power button to display the overlay controls. If accessibility permission has not yet been granted, the app will show a reminder. Tap Settings to open accessibility settings. Go to Installed Apps, find Auto Scroll Master, and enable it. Return to the Auto Scroll Master app and tap the power button again. The first activation will display a reminder explaining that while Auto Scroll is running, the device is occupied. While Auto Scroll is active, you cannot interact with the screen unless it is paused or stopped. Auto Scroll Master is an accessibility tool that injects real scrolling, similar to a finger automatically scrolling on the screen. Because of this, normal interaction is limited. If you attempt to scroll manually, your movement may be cancelled because the application scrolls faster. This creates a conflict for control of the screen, so it is normal that interaction is restricted while it is active. If you need to use the screen, pause or stop auto scroll first. When you are ready to continue reading, simply activate it again. If you do not want this reminder to appear again, select Do Not Show This Again, then tap Got It to close it. Once the app is active, floating overlay controls will appear. These controls remain visible on the screen, even if you exit the application. Next, open the app you want to auto-scroll, for example, a Quran app. When you are reading long, scrollable content, this is where Auto Scroll Master becomes especially useful. Tap the play button to begin. If this is your first time using Auto Scroll in a specific app or browser, you will be asked to select a safe scrolling area. Place the scrolling area away from buttons, since the app injects real scrolling and may trigger buttons if it passes over them. Adjust the selection carefully to avoid accidental taps or page changes. Then, tap Save. Scrolling will start automatically within the selected area. If you touch the screen while scrolling, Auto Scroll will pause temporarily. When you release the screen, it will continue. You can still use the floating overlay controls while Auto Scroll is running. If the background is too bright and the controls are difficult to see, tap the moon icon to dim the overlay. You can adjust the scrolling speed using the plus and minus buttons. Choose a speed that is comfortable for reading. If the floating controls are distracting, tap the double arrow icon to minimize them into a small bubble. When finished, drag the overlay control toward the bottom of the screen. When it reaches the dismiss area, the section will turn red. Release it there to completely stop auto scroll. The feature is designed to be simple, clear, and easy to use.